friends, today we're going to unbox the Samsung wireless charger. As you can see, it says that it works with the Samsung Galaxy phone, the Samsung Buds, the Apple iPhone, and the Apple AirPods. These can come in two different colors, and those are black and white. So let's unbox it now. As you can see, this is the square black wireless charger. This is in a slim and compact design, so this can fit in any small space. This is the instruction manual, which comes in two different languages. This is the adapter and the USB port. Here's the cable and its compact package. So now you can see a closer look for the adapter, and this is the cable. Here's the USB, and I'm putting it in the USB port in the adapter. And this is the USB-C right there. Now you can see I'm putting the USB-C in the wireless charger. Don't forget to correctly connect the wires, or it might not work. As you can see that the iPhone is being charged now. This charger is a 9-watt fast charger. Also remember that this charger needs a specific position so it can be charged for the devices. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye, and see you soon in the next one.